questions about that, and of course want to talk about how to make money. So yesterday you heard that we were launching a major program. The program, I want to clarify, it is for Windows as well as mobile, and we're going to work with developers across platforms and across devices, although the program is starting really focused on netbooks because they're shipping in volume today. So programming across different environments and different form factors does pose a problem. And you heard Paul talk about yesterday that we're pretty excited because we worked with our partners in the industry to try and solve some and ease some of these development problems. Not all of them. There are still refactoring for form factors and things like that that we have to take into account. But the most exciting thing that I think that we've accomplished in this short amount of time is working with our partners at Microsoft to get their runtime Silverlight working across platform for Windows and for mobile, so that developers can have a single unified development environment across their Atom devices. So I'd like to invite Ian Ellison from Microsoft to come show you what Paul talked about yesterday, Silverlight across multiple platforms. Ian, where are you? There you are. This is your shirt. I love your shirt. Did we get a close-up of that?
Just in case it wasn't obvious, I'm wearing a jacket today, so I have to...
So you have the geek underneath. Okay, super. I know you also have to show us, so why don't we get over here and
let's
talk about Silverlight and the cross-platform.
Yeah, so increasingly developers and service providers need to be able to target multiple devices. And so this is really what Silverlight is all about. It's a lightweight runtime that can really target across the different screen types, the PC, mobile, and TV. And it's been available for a little while. We have a version today for PC and Macintosh. And through our partnership with Novell, we have a Linux version as well. And we've announced support upcoming for Windows mobile phones, as well as Nokia. So we just released our Silverlight version 3, which has a number of new enhancements. Has a bunch of new graphics features, in particular pixel shader support. We have 3D perspective transforms, and HD smooth streaming video based on the H.264 codec. We've also added a bunch of new application features, a plethora of new controls, rich data binding, and a whole bunch of new data controls. Finally, we've added support for out of browser. So now you can run Silverlight applications directly off the desktop, even when disconnected.
That's fantastic.
So I think taken together, that allows a whole new class of rich applications running across these different devices.
Fantastic. So why don't you start going down the line here and show us what you have.
So let's do a little bit demo. So this is your classic PC showing a Silverlight smooth streaming movie. This could easily be a Macintosh. Could easily be a different browser. I think you've seen some of that before. A little bit more interesting. So now we have same experience running on a Windows 7, running netbook, and still great performance, a great experience.
We're streaming the credits now.
Yeah, it'll loop again, so we're good. Now, much more interesting now is Silverlight running on mobile. So if I Alt-Tab, here we go.
Never seen before.
So this is what we've been announcing. Now we're introducing here. Same experience.
Same experience.
Same rich experience. So I can click here. I can go.
So developer can write something and run across all of these Atom-based platforms.
So we can go full screen.
We should mention this is actually a Core 2, so this is a full size laptop.
Yeah, exactly.
So we can go both directions.
And with smooth streaming and Silverlight, you get the ability to browse around without any buffering. So you get a great user experience. Finally, we get to what I think is the coolest device. I have to crouch in front of the machine here. There you go. It's so small. So here we go. Here again is running the same smooth streaming, high quality video on this little tiny device.
On mobile.
And running on mobile, and of course, I don't really. I'm moving it out of the way. I don't know whether you can see just how tiny this device is. So there you go. So that's the basic basic demo around Silverlight running on mobile.
Fantastic.
So because it's Silverlight, you get to leverage the same sort of tools and platform experience that's been around for a while. going to be shipping next year, but if you go to silverlight.net, you can get started right now.
Thanks, Ian.